Hello friends, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time of seeing my video, welcome back. This video I have a product that is really good that I've been using. This product is really good. It's really good if you're kind of a woman who are always tired like me, and this remedy will really help you. It's called black oil seed, and I'll to my kitchen to show you how I used to make this. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you just take 1 teaspoon of black seed on an empty stomach, and it really work well. I've been using it for many years. I just say let me show you guys, and it's really very good. And I would like to bring you to my kitchen to show you how I used to consume it. Then I will see you there. Black seed oil reduce blood pressure. Black seed increase the activity for constructing neurological cells, increase sperm generation, stimulate sexual power, supporting the immune system, especially in the stress condition, increase the activity for construct neurology cells, reduce blood cholesterol. We need 1 teaspoon of black seed oil, half teaspoon of honey. Add them together. And mix them until you are satisfied. And when you are consuming this, I will advise you to consume it in the empty stomach, first thing in the morning and when you are going back to bed at night. So you can consume this 2 times a day. And if you are a man that you want to increase your sex organ, I will advise you to take black seed oil with honey or without honey. So, and if you're a woman that you are looking for the fruit of womb, seed oil also help. If you have indigestion problem, black seed oil also help. And if you have bad breaths, black seed oil with warm water will help you to get rid of the bad smell. And this is how it looks, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to consume it, and that is how I'll show you how you can consume them. Please leave the comment below, thumb up, click like, share my video, and click subscribe button.